To charge Samsung Galaxy A07, you can actually do that in the multiple ways. The first one, you can just simply use the standard cable that comes in the box, but as you can see in my case, I'm not using the original Samsung cable. This is some kind of the no-name brand that I purchased this from the AliExpress. I can find that screen on my cable and it's showing me current speed. And this cable actually supports 100 watts, but this smartphone support only 25 watts. So yeah, this is the first way. The second one, you can even charge this smartphone by using some other smartphones. So if you are gonna plug it in like so, then plug it in into your Samsung, it will start charging one of the phone. In this case, the phone over here got the smaller battery percentage, which means that this is the reason why it's not gonna charge Samsung, but Samsung gonna charge other device. But if I have here like 30% and my Vivo got like 50%, then it will charge Samsung A07. You can even connect this smartphone into your laptop, PC, TV, game console, or a power bank and simply charge it. You don't even have to use the original cables. This one actually comes from the Motorola smartphone. The previous one that I showed you was some kind of the no-name from AliExpress. So that's how it actually looks. And to charge it fast, first of all, you have to go for the battery, go for the charging settings, make sure that you are gonna turn on the fast charging to speed up this process, and additionally you are able to turn off the battery protection, because the battery protection also slow down the charging. And that's everything. Thanks for watching.